Welcome, you newfound funnel hacker. Congratulations, and you made a really great decision in deciding to join the team. So a couple of things just to preface everything, just so I can get you guys started right away and making profits as soon as possible. We have a couple of things that I just want to show you where there are. On the right hand side of me, on the right hand side of this video, is actually a button saying start here. Obviously, I recommend you check that out. Click on that and take you over to a little membership training where we have a couple of videos. It's not going to take you longer than 5, maybe 10 minutes at the max. And it's just going to show you around and to show you how to use the funnel cloner tool. It's going to show you exactly how to use the landing page templates that we have, how to copy that and put it into ClickFunnels, how to put it into Go High Level. And so I recommend you check that out. It's going to show you how to use the overall membership. In addition, what's also going to have, it's going to have the bonuses on there as well. So for example, your royalty-free music, your royalty-free stock photos, and also your music stock photos, and also your stock white label videos. So I recommend you checking that out. And on the left hand side of me, what you're also going to see is a couple of sections. After you check out the training, check out those sections. On the sections, you're going to see the actual template library, all right? Check out the funnel template library. It's where we actually have all of our different landing pages, and we try to make it as simple as possible for you guys to actually search up the type of niches that you need. So you can select a category in the very top, and you select from our wide range of different niches and choose the template that's best fitting for your scenario. In addition to that, what we also have on that side is you can see your account status. So if you click on account or account status, click on that, it's going to show you what membership you and what subscription you guys are currently using. We have multiple tiers, and we'll always be introducing more software as we see fit. Take a look at that. If you want to ever cancel your subscription for any reason, you can also cancel right there, just to make everything easy. No questions asked. Literally just click a button. All right. In addition to that, guys, what if you need to contact me or one of my support or help, whatever it is, for whatever reason, we have on this page, actually, you can email. There's 3 forms of communication where you can get in contact with us. The first one is our email. So it is funnelhackerlabs@theprojectalpha.com. There should be a little button, or it should be written down below underneath this video. In addition to that, the second form of communication, which is really good, which honestly I recommend, is actually the Funnel Hacker Lab group. This way, the Funnel Hacker Lab group is where you get your answers pretty much the quickest. All right, so hop on the Funnel Hacker Lab group if you haven't already. Check that out, and either I'm very active on it, my assistants are very active on it, and other people that are actually using the membership, that are very successful using the membership, or on the team are on it as well. So we can all answer your questions and give advice as you see fit. In addition to that, what we can also do is you can schedule a time to talk with me or one of my representatives. So we also have another button down below, or actually on the right hand side of this video, where you can actually schedule a call with me or me and my team, right? Depending on who's just more available. So thank you guys for joining the team. And one last thing that I got to mention to you guys is we don't only offer funnel templates. We don't only offer a funnel cloner tool. We don't only offer these other bonuses that we have. We're in the process of making other softwares. So for example, a funnel build out planning software that's going to show you exactly how to plan out your funnel process. We're also developing a YouTube and a Facebook ad course that will be coming out to you pretty soon, just to always try to add value. And guys, if you see that maybe you need something else to really make you successful, please don't hesitate to ask me, because chances are we can make it, and we'd be more than happy to include it on this program. Last thing that we're also doing is, I want to make sure you guys know, is that we also offer custom built out CRM, so a client relation manager. So if you need custom copy written out, if you need a custom automation onboarding process built out, or if you need a custom website completely built for you from scratch, let us know. We're more than happy to do that for you. All you have to do for that is click on schedule a strategy session. Once you click on there, fill out the survey according to what exactly you need. Maybe you just need help. Maybe you need a CRM built out. Maybe you need a website built out. Maybe you need someone to run your ads for you. Click on what exactly you need, so we can have a little more preface onto our... So we personally have a little more preface when we're gonna hop on the phone with you. Click on that, and we'll be more than happy to explain our entire process, maybe give you some consulting, maybe help you out, whatever you need, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for listening to me rant on this video for this long. And I hope you guys really enjoy. Once again, guys, we try to make sure we get the biggest chance to get the best video testimony from you guys. So please, if you need any help whatsoever, let us know. And we're also doing one last thing that I want to let you know about, is that we're also doing, if you guys give us a video testimonial, we will also offer you 2 months completely on us. Boy, that's crazy. Yeah, completely on us. So we'll offer you, in exchange for a video testimonial, and there's gonna be a section momentarily. All right, there's gonna be a separate section where you can leave a video testimonial on there. All you gotta do is literally record something like this. It doesn't have to be crazy, guys. All right, record something on your phone, just make a video testimonial, and we'll give you 2 months completely on the house. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, please let me know. Don't feel worried about reaching out, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Peace out.